Hi guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make your live photos into a wallpaper on your phone. We'll like save TikTok videos. So select a video that you want to use, select the share button, and you're just going to scroll here and you're going to select live photo. And it's going to convert into a live photo basically, and you're just going to go to your gallery. Go to that live photo and press the share button. Then you're just going to simply select use as wallpaper, and that's it. I can't show you because it's going to lag a lot, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!